Alright, we're back with another one. Today's video is proudly sponsored by BULLI, a leading manufacturer in LED lighting. So let's get right to it. So guys, BULLI, let's talk about these LED headlights. First of all, these are the first LED headlights that I am running on my vehicle. I've always had HIDs for my headlights, low beams, so I'm really excited to try these out. Now the coolest thing about these are, it's very small, as you can see. To start off with, all the amplifiers and accessories are pretty small, but the best part about this LED, guys, is it actually has 4 LED colors. You can switch between 4 LED colors. You can switch between white 65K, warm yellow 43K, a dark yellow 3K, and there's also a warning flash 3K option here. And it's crazy how this works. Essentially, we'll test it out, we'll install it on our vehicle, but by turning on and off the lights within 5 seconds, it switches between these modes. So you're getting LED headlights, but it's actually like 4 LED headlight styles built into one, and that's the beauty of BULLI. I don't think there's other manufacturers right now that I'm familiar with that are making these kind of LED lights, and it's amazing. I can't wait to install them. I really also like the engraving with the B here. I think that was pretty clever of them to do. Very light style. As you can see, the LED lights are right there. And yeah, so this is the vehicle that we will be installing the LED lights on, my 2007 Honda Civic that we just recently turbocharged. Now I've been running 3K halogen lights for my daytime running lights and high beams, and my low beams are actually HIDs 5000K. So I'm really interested in swapping these low beams out for the BULLI and just playing around with them, trying to see the different colors. I'm really excited to run the yellow, because I think the yellow will go really well with the daytime running lights yellow. Just everything will be yellow right over here. Probably not the most street legal option, but it's awesome if you're in a car show, or actually I heard the yellow is good for rainy and foggy situations too. So it's a really big pain to install these headlights on the 8th gen Civic because of clearance issues. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the whole bumper to make everything easier and show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So this is my current setup, guys. They are warming up right now. They're not that blue. They turn really white as they warm up. But that's the setup. So hopefully with the new ones, it can match this and I can be full yellow. You already know. Guys, so this is my old HID kit, right? Look at all these wires, the length, the big amplifier here, and compare it to the BULLI setup. So much smaller, so much cleaner. Wow, that's gonna be nice. Now this HID kit, guys, I can't flame on it, even though it's old. It had this thing on my car for about probably 10 years. Never failed, guys. It's still running to this day, so I'm really impressed with the quality of this specific HID kit. But BULLI, man, you guys came through, cleaned up that wiring. This is gonna be great. I'm gonna install it right now. I got the bumper off. I'm just running it through the wheel well. Again, these cars are really tight when it comes to installing headlights, but all you have to do is just plug in your factory wire harness that goes into your factory bulb right into here, amplifies the power, goes right to the bulb, and then you are done. All right guys, we got it installed. I just want to do a test pass right now. And again, you turn on the lights once, it's gonna go to the default setting, which is the bright white. If you turn the lights on and off within 5 seconds, it's gonna go into the next color mode. Turn it off and on again in the next 5 seconds, it goes into the next color mode, and so forth. If you want to reset it, you just turn the lights off, wait about 5-10 seconds, turn them back on, and it goes to pure white. So I'm gonna demonstrate that to you guys right now. Yo, did you guys just see that? Absolutely game changer technology. This is so sick. You get pretty much, like I said, 4 bulbs in one. This is amazing. I can't wait to install it, get the other side done, and I can't wait for the nightfall, guys, because this thing is gonna look absolutely sick when it comes time. Plug and play, guys. Got the main connection in, just zip tied it right here, hanging freely, no problems. The weatherproofing on these things looks amazing, so I don't think that's gonna be an issue whatsoever. And they're installed, so let's try them out right now. Guys, probably, not gonna lie, probably one of my favorite mods on the vehicle, aside from the turbo kit, obviously. But these things are fantastic. I can't express how much I really like the versatility of them, the simplicity of them, and can't wait for it to get dark tonight, and I'll show you guys the full video at nighttime. But initial impressions, it looks great. The 3K yellow looks fantastic. The bright white is as comparable to the bright white of my HIDs. Super excited right now. Thank you, BULLI, for hooking it up. All right guys, you probably can't see, it is nighttime. I'm gonna give you guys a sample of the headlights here in all the modes. Alright, and I'm gonna give you the same demonstration but with my high beams on. Absolutely awesome. One more demonstration from a different perspective. In summary, don't snooze on this product. BULLI is where it's at. I'm absolutely, like I said from the beginning, in love with these lights. The versatility, the color changing, it is awesome. Highly recommend them, guys. Go check them out ASAP.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along